Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. Character is like a tree, and reputation like its shadows. The shadow is what we think of it. The tree is the real thing. I have always found that mercy bears richer fruits than strict justice. Human actions can be modified to some extent, but human nature cannot be changed. A house divided against itself cannot stand. Love is the chain to lock a child to its parent. Leave nothing for tomorrow, which can be done today. Folks are usually about as happy as they make their minds up to be. Do I not destroy my enemies when I make them my friends? My best friend is a person who will give me a book I have not read. Books serve to show a man that those original thoughts of his aren't very new after all. When I do good, I feel good. When I do bad, I feel bad. That's my religion. Those who look for the bad in people will surely find it. I don't like that man. I must get to know him better. I am not bound to win, but I am bound to be true. I am not bound to succeed, but I am bound to live up to what light I have. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any one thing. I laugh because I must not cry. That is all. That is all. The best way to predict your future is to create it. The secret to success is preparation. Impossible is possible. Better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak out and remove all doubt. Sir, my concern is not whether God is on our side. My greatest concern is to be on God's side. For God is always right. I do the very best I know how, the very best I can, and I mean to keep on doing so until the end. My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure. I remember my mother's prayers, and they have always followed me. They have clung to me all my life. I never had a policy. I have just tried to do my very best each and every day. Everybody likes a compliment. The way for a young man to rise is to improve himself in every way he can, never suspecting that anybody wishes to hinder him. You have to do your own growing, no matter how tall your grandfather was.